What does it mean to be a king? Not in the literal sense of wearing a crown and sitting on a throne, but in a more metaphorical sense. Think of a realm you wish to rule. This could be any field or community that you aspire to lead, whether it's politics, business, academia, or another domain. The first step to becoming a king is to understand this landscape and its key players. Now, a king needs to be skilled and knowledgeable, so you must hone your skills and acquire the knowledge necessary to excel in your chosen domain. This might involve education, training, and gaining practical experience. In any kingdom, alliances are key, so you must cultivate relationships with influential individuals within your field. Networking can open doors, provide mentorship, and offer opportunities for advancement. But what is a king without leadership? Demonstrate your leadership abilities by taking on responsibilities, leading projects, and inspiring others with your vision and actions. A king also needs the trust and respect of his subjects. Establish yourself as someone trustworthy, reliable, and respected within your community or organization. Remember, integrity and ethical conduct are essential. Opportunities don't always come knocking. As an aspiring king, be proactive in seeking out opportunities for advancement and growth. This might involve taking calculated risks and stepping out of your comfort zone. The world is ever-changing, and so are kingdoms. Be flexible and adaptable to changing circumstances. Kingship, whether literal or symbolic, often requires the ability to navigate challenges and embrace change. A true king leads by example. Set a positive example for others to follow. Your actions should reflect the values and principles you espouse. As you progress in your journey, seek recognition for your achievements and garner support from allies and followers who believe in your leadership. Lastly, embody the qualities of a king. Whether it's wisdom, compassion, strength, or vision, embody the qualities that define great leaders and inspire others to follow your lead. Becoming a king is not just about holding a position of power, it's about using that power responsibly and for the betterment of those you lead. So what realm are you ready to rule?